Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Kathal Bijer Rosh Bora, that is jackfruit seed sweet. It is a must-try recipe for all my viewers. So without any further delay, let's start. Take 250 grams of dried jackfruit seeds. Peel off the skin and cut into halves like this. Take the seeds in a pressure cooker and add 1 cup of water. Let the seed boil on high flame until a whistle comes. Then make the flame low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the seeds are soft enough to smash. Keep aside for cooling. In the meantime, let's make a sugar syrup. Take 2 cups of sugar in a karai and add 2 cups of water to it. Let it boil on medium flame for 5 minutes. And keep aside. Now shift the seeds from the cooker to a pan and finely smash it with a smasher. Add powder of 4 green cardamoms, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of ghee, and make a soft dough. Now grease your hands and make jackfruit seed shaped small balls. Let's add 1 cup of white oil on hot karai. Fry the balls batch by batch on low flame until golden brown. Now soak the fried balls in previously made sugar syrup for at least 2 hours. Then taste the Kathal Bijer Rosh Bora, that is jackfruit seed sweet, and feel how delicious it is. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, it is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.